First video from our channel, FOT, Focus on Trading. Today we are going to talk about doji from candlestick patterns. What is doji? We have four types of doji candles. First of them is gravestone. Gravestone shows sell pressure in the market. The second one is dragonfly. Dragonfly shows buy pressure. Dragonfly is at the opposite side of the gravestone. The third one is cross or natural doji. It shows equal power of sellers and buyers with two equal shadows or wicks. The fourth one is four price doji. It shows confused market. Market has no plan for going up or down. The price tends to be stable at one point. The four prices, it means open, close, high and low, are only one price. And what is gravestone, the first candle of our doji? Gravestone, here are two shapes of gravestone without any body. One of them is only with one week, and the other is with 2 weeks. The second shape, is with body. Here we have two red bodies. The third one is green body. The only and the most important thing about doji is this, that part 1 here, this is part 1. It should be at least twice or more than part 2, here is part 2 in size. Whenever part 1 is less than part 2, it is not gravestone anymore. It is dragonfly, which we talk about it in the next future videos. And so you should be careful and notice that the part 1 should be more than part 2 in size. This candle, gravestone, usually appears at the end of an uptrend, a reversal candle. Let's take a look at some real examples from GBPUSD at time frame 4 hour. Here we have an uptrend. This is our uptrend. At the end of our uptrend, at the top, we have two candles, which one of them is with red body and the other is with green body, and both of them are doji candles or gravestone. After this, the market uh, reacted and a downtrend took place. So after these two candles of doji, we have a downtrend. Let's take a look at another example from GBPUSD at time frame 4 hour. Again, here we have an uptrend. After our uptrend at the top, we have two doji candles with green body. It doesn't matter, our doji candle and body is green or red. The most important thing, as I said in the previous sections, is only this shadow, this part 1 shadow or wick. It should be more or longer than this part 2 shadow. These two candles are doji and gravestone, and after that the market reacted and took downtrend shape. Here we are at the end of our part 1 from doji candles, gravestone. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope this part be useful for you. Follow our channel. We are new and only from this day we started, and I hope you subscribe us, and by your supporting we can make our next videos, our next part of doji, and after that another patterns of candles, and in the future we will make some videos on technical, and we have some live trades and etc. Again, I hope you enjoy this part. Have a good time and trades. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Focus on Trading. Good luck. Have a good time.